Sausages are meat products usually made from ground meat, often pork, beef, or poultry, along with salt, spices, and other flavorings. Hello viewers, myself Suparna. Welcome to Simply Food. Before I start today's video, please go and click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. First, in a grinder, take 100 gram of chicken fat, 2 cubes of ice. Do not skip the ice cubes. Put the lid of the grinder and make a fine paste. You can see the paste is super smooth. It's nicely emulsified. Into this, add half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of oregano, half teaspoon of paprika, half teaspoon of garlic paste. You can add garlic powder also. Now add 200 gram of chicken breast piece meat and 200 gram of thigh meat. You can be very careful about this portion. Again, add 1 cube of ice, put on the lid and make a good paste. It's a nice paste. Other ingredients such as grains or breadcrumbs may be included as fillers or extenders. Now it's time for casing. I'm using food grade aluminum foil. You can use this food grade aluminum foil or food grade clear plastic wrap or natural casing for making these sausages. Take 1.5 tablespoon of mixture. Make a cylinder like shape. You know the sausages shape. It's long and round. Now start to wrap the foil. Wrap it tightly. Good sausages is all about balance. Balance of the salt and savory, balance of meat and fat, balance of spices and herbs with the whole. Knowing a proper ratio of salt to meat is essential, but once you understand it, you can adjust to your own perception of saltiness, which varies widely among people. If you use cold meat and fat, you will get the better result. And if you are making this sausage in summer, keep your blended jar into refrigerator for 1 hour to get better result. And twist one side very tightly, then other side. Please follow me on Instagram, click with Shuri, and like us on Facebook page, Simply Food Official. Twist the other side and give a roll. Homemade sausages is a great way to use less expensive cuts of meat to make something delicious. When you are making sausages, the more fat you can get in your meat, the better. Now into this boiling water, add sausages. The water was boiling for 5 minutes. Boil them for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, open the lid and I'll take them out from the water. Let them sit for 2 minutes. It's time to unwrapping. First, untwist the sides and then uncover them. Be careful, these sausages are too hot and there can be hot water, so be very careful at this time. Sausages is a staple of countless cuisines and is made with a variety of meats in a range of different styles, from mild fresh sausages to spicy smoked and cured option. And here you go, sausages are ready. Now place them into oil, fry them until these are little brown. There are so many ways to the sausages: grilling, pan frying, roasting and boiling. Also, it can be stuffed into dishes and also used in soups, sauces and other dishes. Serve them with bread, toast or along with English breakfast. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys all like this video. Please hit the like button after watching the video. Do subscribe to our channel and share our videos with your family and friends. Stay connected, stay happy. Thanks. Bye.